Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super soft and moist coconut hot milk cake. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be sieving in 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. Mix well and set aside. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy and foolproof recipes. Here in another bowl, I'll be adding in 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Beat for 5 to 7 minutes until it's fluffy and airy. At this point, your batter should be looking pale yellow and it should have a ribbon-like pattern, just like how I'm showing you in the video. Once our egg and sugar mixture has been beaten, now we will add 1/4 cup of oil. Beat for a few seconds. Don't overbeat at this point. Now we will add our dry ingredients in 2 batches. Here I'm adding my first batch. We're gonna mix gently using a spatula or a hand whisk. Here I'm gonna add my second half of my dry ingredients. Mix gently. At this point, our batter will be a bit hard to mix. Don't panic at this point. Here we will add our last ingredient, which is 1/2 cup of hot milk with 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can add 1 tablespoon of melted butter into your milk. Mix well and pour it into the batter. Mix the milk gently into the batter till your batter is lump-free and you get a smooth batter. Here my batter is completely ready. Now we will pour our batter in a greased mold lined with butter paper. Now use a toothpick to remove any extra air bubbles. Now we will bake our cake in a preheated pot for 30 to 35 minutes on medium to low flame. If you have an electric oven, bake at 170 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Here our cake is perfectly ready. Demold your cake while it's hot. Now cut your cake in any shape you like. Now look at the texture and the softness, and look at how moist is this coconut hot milk cake. I hope you people enjoyed my recipe. Please try this recipe and share with me your feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye.